Okay, Brian, so we're going to go through this paper prototype of a rhythm exercise. And you're going to act like this is a computer. What I'm going to put in front of you is the screen. And I'm going to act as the web browser. I'm going to be Chrome or Firefox. And I'm going to be doing all the work that it would normally do. So you navigate with your finger just like you would with the mouse cursor or your finger on the iPad. Okay? So we open up our sheet, our page first.
So you click, you turn on the computer.
You turn on the computer. And the first thing you see, everything right here is what's on the screen. This is note space for myself, okay? So this is what you see at the top. Okay? Can you read it okay? It won't be handwritten on the website. On the left is all the navigation. Can you read the navigations?
Home, quarter notes, eighth notes, test, make your own.
That's right. All right, and so when you load it the first time, it's going to show the home screen. And what do you see in the home screen?
In these exercises, you will explore how rhythm is written and performed. Begin with quarter notes. Move on to eighth notes. Test yourself. Then try to create your own rhythm.
Good job.
Of your own.
Good job.
And then there's an intro video.
Yep, and the video would explain the same thing. So where would you go next? So you're on home. So you'd press quarter notes, and when you press quarter notes, you would see this screen come up right there in that frame. Okay, now look around for a second. Notice differences. Okay, there will be some introductory text here and a video here.
You just didn't have time. You just didn't write the text.
I haven't formalized it yet, so I'm just going to narrate it. So if you play this video, it talks about the quarter note, and it shows that a quarter note is one beat of sound. Can you play with me one beat of sound? Ready and go. One. Now can you do two? Ready, go. 1, 2. And the video would go like that. There's also a quarter rest, which gets one beat of silence. So can you do one beat of silence? Ready, go. 1. Very good. Now, we're going to make it a little trickier. And we're going to do, and the video will be showing all this, 4 beats of sound. Ready?
That's easy.
1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. And now we're also going to add some silence in there.
Wow.
And before we play this one together, this is the video narrating, which beat is the rest on?
Number 2.
And I would give a little bit of space for the person to do that. And ready? Now let's clap and count this rhythm. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Once this video is done, it would explain that you're going to look below this and play a few examples. Use the drop-down menus to pick out what rhythm is being played. Okay, so then the video would end, and according to the instructions, what would you look at next? Yes, and so the little video right here.
The questions.
These are kind of practice ones. So right here,
Question 2.
it would show this rhythm, and like it said, you use the drop-down menus, and I have little stickers to represent the drop-down menu.
Yeah.
So what would you do next after watching it?
Use the drop-down menu.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, so when you do that, a little drop-down menu comes up and shows 3 options. You're going to choose the 8th notes?
Actually, no.
I guess I shouldn't lead you on. Okay, and then what's next? Okay, and then that would show you a little drop-down with a quarter note, quarter rest for 8th notes.
I did that one last. So.
Now remember, you're trying to match what they played up here.
Oh, I forgot. So.
Oh, sorry. So you've done 2 of them. Okay. And good. And then you hit go, and the result down here would show you that you did it correctly. That's right. Then.
But if I did boom, it would say wrong.
That's right. It would ask you to go back and try again.
But
exactly
boom,
right.
boom, boom, boom. Go.
Exactly right.
Correct.
Good, good, good. So now, what do you do after that?
Question 3.
Question 3. Now, what do you see on question 3?
Wait, where is question 3?
What do you see there?
Wait, this is question 2, right?
Right. Yeah, I guess question 1 was technically the intro.
I don't really see it. I only see a video.
Okay, so what do you think that means on the website?
You'll
on
have
the screen?
to click it.
You click it, okay, and it plays a rhythm, and it plays, well, I shouldn't put it in front of you because it's playing a rhythm. It's going rest, rest. Okay? But now, what do you need to do? Is there any element on the screen that could help you get to more stuff? Well, that's already there. Do you see this over here?
Yeah.
What does that look like?
Oh, a scroll.
We've got a scroll bar there. So, and I'm going to make some notes like make scroll bar more clear.
I cannot read that.
That's okay, I can read it. So once you use the scroll bar, it's actually going to give you a little more space to work down here because it's not all going to fit on one page. And so it's going to go down to like right there. Okay, so again, this video was rest, rest. So what are you going to do now? Okay, so you chose the first one, and which one are you going to choose? Okay.
First.
Okay, you got the first one. What's next? Okay. Great. Okay. Good job, and it would say rest, rest, and you got it correct. So you're all done with all the questions on here. There would actually be 4 or 5 of these sample questions. What would you do next?
You would.
Do you remember what it asked you to do in the video?
No.
Can you look at the page and see what you might do next? Okay. All right, so you pressed eighth notes. The website gets rid of this one, and it loads this one. So take a look at the elements of the page.
It's the same one. It's the same thing.
It looks very similar, doesn't it? Okay.
And again, with a scroll bar.
You see a scroll bar, so there's going to be more information down at the bottom.
Down there.
And what should you do first when you go to this screen? Okay. So now we're going to talk about eighth notes. Eighth notes look like this. And when we put 2 of them together, they fit into 1 beat. So if 2 of them fit into 1 beat, then they're how long? Half a beat. And so we count them like this. 1 and. Now do it with me. Ready, go. 1 and. Remember, this is a video, not me personally telling you. So great. Now if we put 2 sets of eighth notes together,
1 and 2.
we're going to go 1 and 2 and. Can you do it with me? Go. 1 and 2 and. Great job. This would be the video saying it, of course.
Yeah, not you.
Right.
But
And I'm
it would
moving on a
sound
little
like
faster
you,
than the
right?
video would go right now. It would sound like me. Now we can mix eighth notes and quarter notes. A quarter note
And
still
rest.
gets... That's correct. And rest, but the video won't let you interrupt.
Yeah.
So
Or
in this
you could
case...
just pause it and
Yeah.
yell at the video.
No. We have 2 sets of eighth notes and 2 quarter notes. So let's count